I'm only 42 years old and I have a plan to retire very soon. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I plan to do that, and hopefully this is something that some of you guys can put into place too and be able to do. Well, hey, what is up, you guys? My name is Benji and welcome to my channel. I'm glad to have you here. And so, like I was saying, I'm only 42 years old and I have a plan to retire. And how do I plan to do that, you may say? And I'm going to tell you exactly how. So I am a police officer and we have a retirement system where I work. I work for a major city. And with that retirement plan, well, I need to back up. First off, we got out of debt. So we don't have any debt. We paid off all our cars and our house. And that was a huge accomplishment. And to be able to retire early, I think that is very much needed so that you don't have the bills lingering over your head or anything for when you're on a fixed income with retirement. So how we did that, we started off, we had 2 car payments and a house payment, right? And so we started paying off the car that we owed the least on first. So whenever I made a little extra money at work, I just started putting all that extra money towards the principal on that car that we only owed a little bit on. And so we were able to pay off that car payment. And now that we weren't paying into that car payment anymore, we kept our budget the same. We acted like we were paying towards that car, and we put all that old car payments money towards the new car, all towards principal. And slowly we were able to pay off the newer car. And now we had 2 cars that were paid off. We kept our budget exactly the same, and we started using those 2 car payments, started putting it towards our house. And now on top of that, we were putting it towards the principal, but house payment is, way huger than a car. So still wasn't quite enough. So I was able to come up with a little bit of a second income, and started putting all that second income. We didn't touch it. We still lived the same budget and everything, but we started putting that second income just towards the principal on the house. And guys, within it was definitely less than 3 years, pretty positive of that, we paid off our house. So now we have no car payments, no mortgage payment. We owe nothing. My wife has some student loans, but it's very minimal payment. So we owe nothing. We're able to pay off everything. So that put me in a place, after we paid off the cars and the house, we didn't have anything we were putting that money towards anymore. So it got me to thinking, I wonder if I could retire early if we use this money, maybe put it towards retirement. So I started doing some digging, and in my police department where I work, you can buy years of service. And I was in the military, and so I was like, I wonder if I could buy those years of service from, the military. So I did some digging, and some people told me no, which was heartbreaking. Other people told me yes. So I called the retirement board myself, and I got different answers from all of them. But eventually the answer I got was, yes, you can buy years of service, but it is very expensive. How expensive, you may say? They quoted me at $72,000 per year of service to be able to buy a year of service. So very expensive. So then we got to think, is it worth it? Is it worth paying $72,000 per year of service? And for me, I think it is. So those car payments, the mortgage payment now, so we had those 3 things. We kept our budget the same. We just started putting it into a high yield savings account just to be able to pay off the years of service with my job to be able to retire early. We've been saving now for 2 years, I think, and we're getting very close to having enough money to be able to buy some years of service. So I'm almost at 20 years of service right now with the police department that I work at. Like I said, you have to do 25 before you can retire. So I started doing the math, and right now, if I were to retire at 20 years, I would need about $350,000, probably a little more, to be able to retire early. That's a lot of money, and I'm not there yet, so I can't do it yet. So I started thinking, okay, what if I worked 21 years? So now we're going to take off about $75,000 off of that. Now we're looking at around $280,000 to retire at 21 years. And it's still a little too much for me. I don't think I'm going to have $280,000 in the next about a year. So we started doing a little more math. In 22 years, need about, let's see, what is that? 75, 150, about $220,000 to be able to retire early. And I think we will be able to do that. And I think I might even be able to beat that. So what I'm looking at buying is 3.5 years of service. And so it's going to cost me, just being straight up with you guys, I said I was going to do that in this video, tell you guys exactly how I plan to do it, and that's what I'm doing. So I plan on spending $250,000 to buy 3.5 years of service for the police department I work at. And I've told friends at work that I plan on doing this, and they all think that I'm crazy. They're like, why in the world would you want to spend $250,000 just so you can leave 3.5 years sooner? And a lot of the people that I work with, they've been there, you know, some of them 35 years, some people do 40 years. And why, I have no idea. I guess they have no life outside of work. Not to rag on you guys if you're watching this video, I'm sure somebody's going to find it. But I have things I want to do. I want to go hike the Appalachian Trail. I want to go hike the Pacific Crest Trail, and you can't take 6 months off of my job to be able to go do those things. And I'm not at a place where I can just quit, so I need to get to where I can retire. So with that, that's why I think for me, maybe not for you, it's worth that much money to be able to retire early. For me, I want to if I can retire, you know, with this plan, my youngest son, he'll still be 16. So I'll be at home with kids still in the house, which is pretty awesome. I mean, you got to think about it. How much is a year of your life worth? You know, is it worth $100,000? Is it worth $72,000? You know, whatever it is, $75,000 that they quoted me. Something like that. Is a year of your life, you know, being able to do what you want to do, worth that much money? And to me, I'd say yes. You know, and you might counter, well, you're still alive, you're just at work. And yeah, I'm not being able to do what I want to do while I'm at work. And that's the whole point of retirement, you know. I want to be able to do what I want to do. And there's a thing, you know, how much is your life worth? If I were to give you $1 million, you know, would you take it? You'd say, yes, of course you'd take it. And then I'd say, but hold on, if, you know, you weren't going to wake up tomorrow, would you still take that $1 million? And for me, heck no, I'm not going to take $1 million. So, you know, your life, you know, tomorrow is worth more than $1 million. And to me, that's true. And spending time with my family, that's true. You know, being able to go out on the Appalachian Trail or Pacific Crest Trail while I still have healthy knees, that's worth it to me. And so to me, that $75,000 a year, that's worth it to be able to buy that year of life for how I want to live. And if you guys know anything about police officers, a lot of us, you know, we live a stressful life while we're at work. And a lot of people, they work 35 years and they retire, and then a year later they're dead. And I don't want that to be me. I want to get out of this job now. It's not what it used to be. I want to get out now as soon as I can so that I can start living a more stress-free life so that I don't have that hanging over my head. You know what I mean? I don't want that stress there, you know, causing me to die early. And I just want to be done. So that's the plan for me. That's how I plan on retiring early. And if you're in a government job, I know regular government jobs like federal government, you can buy years of service. I have a friend who did it when he first started. He said it was $1,500 per year of service when he bought it. And I know it's a lot cheaper if you can buy it up front when you first start your job versus how I'm doing it right at the end of my career. It's very expensive, and probably not a lot of you guys have the money to be able to do this, and neither did I. That's why I talked about so much about how to, not how to, but how I did, how I bought, sorry, a bug landed on me, how I was able to pay off my cars and pay off my house. And that's how I was able to get to a place in my life where I may be able to afford buying years of service to retire early. So I hope you guys can do it too. If you're in a police job, you probably can. Talk to someone in your retirement board. If you're a fireman, same thing. If you're I don't know if the Army and stuff like that does it, but one of my friends, he was a federal worker, and he was able to buy, I think he said he bought 5 years of service, and it cost him like $7,000, something like that. I don't know, don't quote me on that, but it was very cheap for him because he did it at the very beginning of his career when he got out of the Army. So very good option to try to retire early that I never thought of before until well, the idea got in my head because someone at work in the command staff, they got in trouble, and instead of getting demoted, he just decided he was going to retire early. He retired early, and he left his job here and went and became a police chief somewhere else. So good on him, awesome. And it gave me the idea, like, hey, I may not have to do the full 25 years to be able to retire, you know, at 48 years old is what I would have been if I stayed the entire time. So what I chose to do, or what I'm choosing to do, is, you know, buy some years of service and get out early, because I'm sick of this. You know, people don't like us like they used to. When I joined up, I started policing in 2004, joined with the city I'm at now in 2005, something like that. And you know, there's been good times and bad times, and I love what I do. Just people don't love us the same way they used to, and I get it. You know, a lot of social media has a lot to do with that. And anyway, I don't want to get into politics. It's just not for me anymore. I'm ready to be done. And I think when you're ready to be done with something like policing, you need to get out. There's no need to stay there and be that disgruntled cop who's going to end up on the news. And that's not going to be me. I'm ready to get out, and I think I have a pretty good plan. What do you guys think? Is this a huge waste of money? Am I making a terrible mistake? Or are you guys on board with me? Do you think, hey, you know what? Get out there and do it now while you're young. Go do the things you want to do while you still have the life to do it. And that's my point of view. So if you enjoyed this video, let me know. And if you have any comments about this, I'm sure this will touch base with some of you guys. Put it down there in the comments if you have any questions about how I paid off, you know, all my cars and house, and being able to put so much money into savings. You know, put it down there in the comment section. I'll be happy to respond to you. You know, help you out any way I can. You know, give you advice or whatever. I'm not done yet. I'm almost done, and I'm at a point where I think I'm going to be able to do this so much that I made this video. So this is happening. No one's going to talk me out of it. I don't plan on promoting anymore at work. I just plan on getting out and being done. So, all right, guys. Hey, if you want to watch me hike the Appalachian Trail after I retire, because that's why I'm retiring early, and it's been time with the family. You know, my son, he wants to come with me, which is going to be awesome. He'll be 16, and I think we'll have a great time. My wife is iffy. She said she's coming. She said she's not coming. So we'll see what she does. But we're going to hike the Appalachian Trail when I retire, and love to bring you guys along with me. I'm going to be vlogging every day when I go out there. So if you'd like to watch that, subscribe to this channel. And I also have do gear review videos and stuff. I know this is kind of a different video, but if you like that stuff, subscribe to my channel. If you guys like more stuff like this, retirement stuff, let me know down there in the comments. You know, I can make some more videos like this if this is something that you guys like. I like sharing this information with you guys. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was fun for me to make it, and I love talking about my retirement because it's coming up soon, and I'm really excited, if you guys couldn't tell. So I'll see you next time, guys. Until next time, happy hiking.